Hi guys, we're at Polegate Station level crossing and East Sussex level crossing, guy. There we go. The time now is 4:26 on the 8th of April 2025. I haven't even checked the boom lights, silly me. Bounce, 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 bounce. Bouncy barriers. I don't know why.
Green signal this way.
Oh, so it's probably that way from the station to Wilmington and Berwick. Other way. Doing the hangman. Did you cover your mouth? Like,
Yeah, I think so.
yeah. Did you go?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't want to ruin the moment. I was just like,
Where's the train? Let's go back. Yeah, it will be cooked. Sorry. Oh, it's up here. Yeah.
oh, so I guess wrong then.
You guessed it wrong. I'm not trusting you again. How's it going with the yellow signal?
Sure.
It's got a yellow signal. Yeah. Screen, that means 387. No, 377. Ah. Three 77411. Thank you for the toot. Anyway, to Eastbourne. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe.